How to add shares in Google Finance. Follow these instructions. Visit Google Finance and sign in using your Google account to see portfolio features on the left. Choose your portfolios from the sidebar to view or create your investment tracking list. Open an existing portfolio or make a new one to manage your stock holdings easily. Use plus add investment option on the page to begin adding a new stock to your list. Type the stock symbol like infid.ns or APL into the search box and select from results. Add share quantity by price and purchase date in the form that appears on screen. Press Save to finish adding your stock and view it listed inside your portfolio table.
Thanks for watching.